Banff National Park is known for its bizarrely colored lakes, breathtaking mountains, and infinite outdoor activities. Canada's first national park and the world's third, it has a rich heritage as one of the world's most awe-inspiring mountain destinations. What makes Banff National Park so special is its easy access and close proximity to the vast unspoiled wilderness of the Canadian Rockies. The park has a total area of 6,641 square kilometers of mountainous terrain with breathtakingly beautiful valleys, peaks, glaciers, forests, meadows and rivers. The hiking in Banff and Lake Louise is among the world's most beautiful and inspirational. Hiking is an easy way to immerse yourself in the stunning nature of Banff National Park, with options ranging from short walks to multi-day backcountry expeditions. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Wander along the shores of glittering blue-green lakes, climb a mountain pass, cross a frozen lake and wonder at the glowing larches in the autumn. Hiking in Banff and Lake Louise is your chance to venture outside of your comfort zone and into a genuinely wonderful world with a little effort. Nothing beats a quiet afternoon spent by the edge of an alpine lake, surrounded by soaring peaks and clean mountain air. Dip your toes in the cool water, take a look around, and soak in the solitude at Banff National Park's gorgeous blue lakes, which have been attracting people from all over the world for over a century. You'll feel as you have been transported back in time. It's quite probable that you'll see a bear at Banff National Park if you arrive at the correct time of year, but these furry favorites are only the beginning. On the town of Banff, elk and deer are typical sights, while mountain goats and bighorn sheep may be seen on the highways leading to the ski resorts. You could even get a sight of a moose or hear the slap of a beaver's tail on the Bow River's waters. Remember to keep your distance and help keep the wildlife wild. Every turn reveals new views and sensations in the Banff National Park, like the beautifully blue lake on the side of the road that you decide to stop at and jump onto the heat of the moment, and the miles of winding roads invite you to sit quietly and reflect on the beauty all around you. Driving the roads of Banff National Park is the best method to observe landscape and animals in a short amount of time. Originally only accessible by train, the paved roads of Banff and Lake Louise were built in the post-war era to accommodate the growing number of cars visiting the mountains. These roads now allow tourists to Banff and Lake Louise to enjoy some of the world's most beautiful drives. Take a quick trip up Tunnel Mountain or a multi-day journey along the Icefields Parkway, view the local fauna and breathtaking scenery from the road, and stop to experience the numerous conveniently accessible roadside sites and activities. Banff is open all year and provides incredible wildlife observation and tourism, as well as a variety of shopping and dining options. Hiking, kayaking, mountain riding and cycling, photography and climbing are also popular summer activities. Fall is the ideal time to see seasonal color because large trees, the only coniferous trees that lose their needles in the winter, becoming yellow. Located in the heart of Banff National Park, the world-famous Banff Springs Hotel stands as a landmark in the picturesque alpine town. Fairmont Banff Springs is a year-round luxury mountain resort that offers a championship golf course during the summer and parallel skiing in the winter, the award-winning European-style Willow Stream Spa, and authentically local dining experiences. Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise features breathtaking views of Lake Louise and the surrounding Canadian Rocky Mountains. Elegant and polished, yet relaxed and inviting, this 539-room luxury resort in Banff National Park lives up to the natural wonder. Unwind and enjoy the views from a well-appointed guest room, indulge in luxury suites and specialty rooms, or experience the exclusivity of Fairmont Gold.